Hey guys, long time no see, at least not at the workshop. And today we are taking our first steps in our new project, which I will deal with through the next couple of episodes, maybe 4 or 5, we'll see. We've had the garden for 5 years now, but really there's no place to sit anywhere, so of course we could just bring chairs outside and bring a table outside, but then in the evening you would just have to move them back into the house, and so it's really a pain in the neck. And I thought we would really need some garden furniture, and that's what I plan to make. But first, for the project I would need to measure out exact angles. But I don't have a protractor, so that will be the first problem we are tackling right now. Let's head over to the whiteboard. Okay, I wonder if you can see. So a protractor, for non-English viewers, a protractor is the small plastic or metal thingy that lets you measure angles like this, or sometimes it's just an additional scale on your triangular rulers, which lets you measure 90 degrees, 45 degrees and stuff like that. So it's a vocabulary corner now. This is a protractor. The project looks something like this. No, not like this. Like this. Much better. Yes. So we should have a table here. And then the chairs, like that. Of course we need a roof, like this, and basically this is it. There are 5 angles here in the 5 vertices of the pentagon, and they each are 108 degrees. You can calculate this, but it's easier if you just Google this. So 108 degrees, and I will have to measure out 108 degrees in my project without a protractor, because I don't have one. I could buy one at the store, but the store is like 80 kilometers away. So I'm making one. Let's see how it's done. Okay, let's open the workshop computer. And I have Googled 108 degrees. That's how many you have in a pentagon in each vertex. And I already drilled a hole in this cardboard sheet thingy. You just place it here, mark it up with a pen. It's from here to here, and from here to here. So here I have the marks. All I need to do is connect the lines like that, like this, and like that. Cut it out with scissors. This is how you make a single angle protractor in 2 minutes. Let's go, use this. But that will come in a different episode because I'm busy with building the stuff right now. So if you're buying a ready-made protractor, you're actually wasting your money, because when you are measuring an angle, you're only using one notch on the protractor, so the rest of 179 degrees are going to waste, right? So I have this 100% efficiency protractor because if I have to measure 108 degrees, then I can use the full potential of this protractor. That's what I call efficiency. Yeah, and in my high school friends always told me to cut it out. And then, well, I did that. See you in the next episode.